Mamaya yan.
found a big one. Elliot, just don't show them it. Whoa.
Uy, dahan-dahan kasi maano sila.
Checking them out. I see something that I want to grab.
Hey, you hold this one. We're gonna fix the step nila. Oh. Wait, don't step on that tomato. Can you guys go here? Oh no.
Ah, the rooster.
Rooster!
Yeah, they're gonna.
It's broken.
There's no head.
Put it here. Look, oh.
It smells so stinky.
Smells so stinky.
No.
What smells stinky?
I'm
The
not
tomato.
sure I'm watering them.
Go, there's
Ba't
more.
may okra dyan?
Saan?
But I'm
Ay,
over there. I'm gonna go there and take them.
I don't think you can go in there. Oh, be
Careful. Where?
Okay, that's it.
Over there, like all the way over
Oh, no, it's so... No. It's hard there. It's hard to go there. You're gonna...
There's more here, oh.
There's a lot there, oh. There, oh.
Oh, Elian?
Daddy,
Yes.
I found some that are hard to pick here.
Okay. Just wait, okay?
Okay.
That's it?
Oh wait, I see a red one.